Hey guys, John Wanderers here with Billings Seafood Guys. Welcome to episode 6 of Billings Seafood Guys TV. We're back, and today we're going to be doing some meal prep options for you guys. So in episode 6, we're going to be using our Wild Alaskan Sockeye Salmon, all out of Bristol Bay, Alaska. And we're going to be making Sockeye Salmon Salad. This one's all about meal prep. I did this a couple weeks ago. We posted it on social media, and it got a lot of love. So we're going to walk through it. We're going to show you the steps, the benefits, talk nutrition, quick, easy meal prep using Wild Alaskan Seafood. Billings Seafood Guys TV, episode 6. Subscribe below. Here we go, guys. All right, guys, here we are. We are working on the Sockeye Salmon Salad, an awesome meal prep to have throughout the week. With this, you can do so many things. You can make wraps. You can put it on salads. You can just eat it. I mean, it's super easy. It's simple. It goes throughout the week. It's nutritious. It's wild Alaskan salmon. And I just think it's cool because it's a good way to use seafood in a meal prep. I was struggling with that forever. I mean, how do you meal prep with seafood? So this is one option. So the first thing we got to do is we got one Wild Alaskan Sockeye salmon fillet, and we're going to get this all baked and ready to go. So we're just going to do our normal thing like we've done in other videos. With this, we're going to get some olive oil going. And as I always say, this is just another good way to keep in that moisture, to keep that salmon from drying out. And here we go. Going to get some of our pink salt. And last thing is going to be a little bit of pepper. So that's it, guys. And I'm not going to put butter on this one. If you want to add that in, you definitely can. That's just going to add a little bit more flavor. That's going to keep things from helping things a little more from drying out. But I'm doing this for meal prep. I am paying attention to nutrition. And again, I'm going to be mixing this stuff up in Greek yogurt and some other stuff. So butter is an option. We're not going with it here. But we're going in the oven, 375 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay, guys, so we're just finishing up with the salmon. That was the first step. We cooked this in 375 degrees for just about 20 minutes. We're pulling it out. You can see that guy is ready to go. It's split. It's definitely cooked. This was a smaller fillet, so really 17 or 18 minutes would have been just fine. But we're just going to let this cool for a sec, and then we're going to flake this stuff off. And so all of our sockeye salmon, we got whole fillets. So that means the skin is on. When you bake this stuff, you grill this stuff, remember when you slide it off with that spatula, it comes right off the skin. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna get it in a bowl. We're gonna flake it up. And then we're gonna add, really we're talking like 3 little things for the salad. All right, guys, here we go. Just gonna kind of cut the salmon up here. As you can see, it's coming right off the skin. We're gonna get this. We'll get these pieces right in our bowl, and we'll do our we'll flake this stuff up. All right, time to prep up this salad. Again, super easy. All we did was cook our sockeye salmon. We kept it basic. We had olive oil, we had salt, we had pepper. 20 minutes is usually our magic number at 375 degrees. We know this now, and I'm just gonna kind of cut this up with a fork, and really we just want it flaked. That's all we're going for. Nothing crazy here, because then we're going to add in our Greek yogurt. We're going to add in our green onion, and we're going to add in a little bit of lemon juice. Here we go. Wild Alaskan sockeye salmon, kind of crumbled up, shredded up. We're ready to make our salad. So this is just loaded with all sorts of benefits. We got all those omega-3s, amazing fat right here, lots of good stuff. We're just gonna add some basic things. We're gonna add some green onion, about 3 tablespoons. So I got 1 fillet, guys. It's about 1 pound, 16 ounces. So depending on what you guys make, portion sizes, this is kind of where we start. So we got 1 pound, 16 ounces of the sockeye. I did 3 tablespoons of the green onion. I mean, I'll probably end up just using the rest of this green onion. I'm a fan of it. Let's get some of this Greek yogurt. So as you guys can see, you're probably being like, Greek yogurt? Well, we're doing Greek yogurt. We're skipping the mayonnaise on this one. Sure, the mayonnaise is gonna taste a little bit better. We're kind of watching nutrition here. We're going with the Greek yogurt, some more great protein. We're getting lots of great fat from this sockeye. So that's a preference depending on what you guys are looking for. But we're just gonna throw in about 6 tablespoons real quick of this Greek yogurt, and we'll mix it up. And then you guys can really just do it to your taste. You know, as creamy as you guys want it. And then for a little bit of extra flavor, a little pizzazz, we're gonna add some lemon juice. So here we go, just mixing it up. You can see, kind of starting to turn into that salad here. So I'm kind of liking this. I'm just gonna stick with our 6 tablespoons of the Greek yogurt. I kind of like this for wraps. I like this to put on salads. You know, it's not super creamy. You could get it a little more if you want to. You could add a little less. And then I'm just gonna do a quick taste test. Wow, excuse me. That's really good. So I'm just gonna do a tablespoon of the lemon juice to get a little bit of flavor. All right, so we're just gonna add a little bit of flavor to this with the lemon juice. We got some pure lemon juice right here. Definitely grab your lemon, squeeze it yourself. I've got in trouble before because I used to do the lemon juice from concentrate. I now know that go with 100% lemon juice or go get a lemon. So I'm just gonna do a tablespoon. I think most people would probably do about, you know, maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons of this lemon juice. You know, I like it. I don't like strong lemon juice flavor. I think it overpowers the salmon because obviously I'm into seafood. I like the taste of salmon. So we're just gonna get a little bit of that lemon juice in there. You can smell that. You smell the green onion. There it is. That is the sockeye salmon salad. If you guys want to do meal prep with this, it's awesome. It will hold in the fridge all week. Definitely do it with 2, 3 salmon fillets. Get a pile of this stuff so you're good throughout the week. You can make sandwiches, you can make salads, you can make wraps. You can just eat it right out of the bowl. So here it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Comment below. Let us know what you think. Please let us know if you have questions. Like this, subscribe to our channel, and comment below with different episodes, different things you guys want to see us do in the future. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.